Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Leena. As you all know that I am uploading videos on previous year's question asked at IIT JAM CSIR NET GATE. So today we will discuss some questions on matrices. So here A is given a matrix of order 3 by 4. Now A is a matrix of order 3 by 4. B is a matrix of order 4 by 3. AB is non-singular, means AB it is a matrix of order 3 by 3 because number of columns of A should be equal to number of rows of B. So AB is a matrix of order 3 by 3 and determinant of AB is not equal to 0 and rank of AB this is equal to 3. Now what we are given, consider the following statement. P is a nullity of A is 0. We have P is a statement and Q statement says BA is non-singular. Then out of these four options, which one is correct? Both P and Q are true. P is true, Q is false. P is false, Q is true, and both P and Q are true. Now we are given that rank of AB this is equal to 3. Now we know the result for the rectangular matrix. Rank of AB this is less than is equal to minimum of rank of A and rank of B. So if rank of AB is 3 and minimum of P and Q, so this implies rank of A and rank of B this will be equal to 3. So what will be the nullity of A? So we will use the rank nullity theorem. Rank of A plus nullity of A is equal to column of the matrix A. So column of the matrix A are 4. So nullity of A this will be 4 minus 3 which is equal to 1. So P statement is wrong. Second, now AB it is a matrix of order 3. So rank of AB is equal to rank of BA which is equal to 3. So this implies determinant of AB this is equal to 3 and determinant of BA this is also is equal to 3. But BA is a matrix of order 4 by 4 or 4. So this implies BA is singular matrix. This implies BA is singular, but we are given that BA is non-singular. This implies Q statement is also false. So the correct option is both P and Q are false. So this is the correct statement. This question is asked at GATE 2021. Now let A be a 2 by 2 real matrix. Determinant of A is 1. Trace of A is 3. What is the value of trace of A square? This we have to find. 4 values are given to us. This question is asked at CSIR NET June 2020. Now we are given that A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. This is given to us. A is a matrix of order 2. Now two conditions are given to us. Determinant of A is equal to 1. So let us take the matrix A as whose determinant is equal to 1 and trace of A is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 3 and determinant of A this is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So what will be the trace of A square? So we found A square. A square is 1 1 1 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So this is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, 2. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1, 3. 1 is to 1, 2 is to 1, 3. 1 is to 1, 2 is to 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So trace of this matrix is sum of the diagonal element. Sum of diagonal element is sum of diagonal element is 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. So trace of a square, this is equal to 7. So D is correct. Next we have, we have to prove that which of the following is not diagonalizable over R. This question is asked at CSIR NET June 2019. So which of the following is not diagonalizable? We will use the condition if algebraic multiplicity, this is equal to geometric multiplicity, then we say that matrices are diagonalizable. So a matrix A has algebraic multiplicity. What do you mean by algebraic multiplicity? If the values of eigen value, say lambda is equal to 2, means lambda get repeated twice, then algebraic multiplicity of that matrix will be 2. And what will be the geometric multiplicity? Geometric multiplicity, that will be the nullity of A minus lambda I. So we will use this condition for the diagonalization of matrices. So let us take the matrix A. A matrix is 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 2. Now because it is the upper triangular matrix, so its eigenvalues are, you can directly write, its eigenvalues are 2, 2 and 3. Now this 2, it get repeated twice. So algebraic multiplicity of lambda is equal to 2 is 2. Now what about geometric multiplicity? So geometric multiplicity of lambda is equal to 2 is A minus lambda I. A minus lambda is 2I. Nullity of this, nullity of A minus 2I. So first of all we write the matrix A minus 2I. So what it will be? 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Clear? So number of zeros are only in one row. So nullity of A minus 2I, this is equal to 1. अब algebraic multiplicity of lambda is equal to 2 is 2, geometric multiplicity it is coming out to be 1. So algebraic multiplicity is not equal to geometric multiplicity. This implies matrix A is not diagonalizable. Not diagonalizable. So A is incorrect. Now take up the next question, 1 1 1 1. So next is 1 1 1 1. This is our matrix A. So find out its eigenvalues. A minus lambda I determinant is equal to 0. So what it will be? 1 minus lambda 1 1 1 minus lambda. Solve it. 1 minus lambda whole square minus 1, so this is equal to 1 plus lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0, which is equal to lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 0, lambda is equal to 2. These are the two eigenvalues. So algebraic multiplicity of lambda. Now no need to find algebraic and geometric multiplicity if you have distinct values, distinct roots. So you are two distinct eigenvalues. This implies matrix A is, this is the direct result, you can use it, matrix A is diagonalizable. Matrix A is diagonalizable. Now take up the next question. Next is 2 1 2 1 0. Next is 2 1 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. So again it is a upper triangular matrix. So its eigenvalues are lambda is equal to 2 3 3. Now 3 get repeated twice, so we have to check the algebraic and geometric multiplicity. Now algebraic multiplicity of lambda is equal to 3 is 2. And now what about geometric multiplicity? Geometric multiplicity of lambda is equal to 3 is a minus 3i. Lambda is 3, a minus 3i. So find out a minus 3i. So what it becomes? 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So nullity of a minus 3i is 2. So algebraic multiplicity, this is equal to geometric multiplicity of a minus 3i. So this implies, now algebraic multiplicity, this is equal to geometric multiplicity for lambda is equal to 3. Now we have to check for lambda is equal to 2. So for lambda is equal to 2, algebraic multiplicity is 1 and geometric multiplicity, this will be eta of a minus 1i. Lambda is 1, so 1i. So a minus 1, a minus 1, a minus I, this is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 3 minus 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. ठीक है. So now nullity of a minus lambda I or nullity of a minus this is 2i, sorry, because lambda is 2 na, lambda is 2, so 2i. So for 2i this will be 0, 1 and 1. 0, 1 and 1. So when you apply R2 minus R1, this will give you 0. So nullity of a minus lambda I is 1. So geometric multiplicity is equal to algebraic multiplicity for lambda is equal to 2. So this implies this matrix A is diagonalizable. So A is diagonalizable. Clear? Now take up the next question. In the next question, you have D is equal to 1 minus 1 2 4. So first of all you have to find its eigenvalues. So A minus lambda I determinant, first of all we will write the characteristic equation 1 minus lambda minus 1 2 4 minus lambda determinant. So this is equal to 1 minus lambda 4 minus lambda minus of this, that is plus 2 is equal to 0. So which is equal to 4 minus lambda minus 4 lambda plus lambda square plus 2 is equal to 0. So lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 2 and 3 are eigenvalues. So for algebraic multiplicity of lambda is equal to 2 is 1. Geometric, no, no need to find the algebraic and geometric multiplicity because D has distinct eigenvalues. So matrix A has, so A has, matrix A is diagonalizable. Matrix A is diagonalizable. So in this way we can check that whether a matrix A is diagonalizable or not, just checking that algebraic multiplicity of matrix, this is equal to geometric multiplicity of the matrix at each eigenvalue. So thank you so much. You all please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel as much as possible. Thanks to everyone.